There's Mummy Shark fixing the window of the shark house. Oh, who's that swimming towards the house? It's Grub. He's coughing loudly. Mummy swims down to him. Grub is sick. He's feeling really unwell. Mummy tells him not to worry and takes him inside to rest. Mummy tucks him up tight in bed. Grub looks far too hot. Oh dear, his temperature is really high. Daddy Shark is here now. He tells Mummy not to worry and that Grub will be better soon. Daddy has medicine for Grub. Daddy plays Here Comes the Submarine, but Grub doesn't want to take it. He hates the taste of the medicine, but knows it will make him better. Daddy tells Grub not to worry and that he'll feel better soon. Daddy tucks Grub in tight. Mummy soothes Grub as she places a cold flannel on Grub's head. Oh look! Twinkle Starfish has come by to say hello. Grub says hi, but is too tired to do much more. He needs to rest to get better. Mummy and Daddy have a surprise for Grub. It's a cuddly toy fish. He'll drift off to sleep easier with this. Just another quick temperature check. It's getting lower, but not right yet. A good night's sleep and Grub will be all better. The next morning, Grub slowly stirs awake. He's delighted to find that his temperature and cough have gone. Hooray! He feels all better again. Oh look! It's Tucker! Tucker and Grub can't wait to play with each other. Grub surprises Mummy and Daddy Shark at their digger trucks. They're both so happy to see that he is well again. Grub hops into his own digger and speeds off to join his parents. The Sharksons rev their engines. They are so excited for a great day's work.